the need to fund advocacy generally is a great need, particularly in this time when we need to mobilize constituencies towards social impact goals and social change. Technology as a means for doing that, as one of the most key and important means for doing that, is something that is very little practiced, but has outsized potential. And so we think that by sharing the kinds of things that are going on with successful advocacy organizations using technology and those that are just beginning to try and use technology with advocacy, then it layers that opportunity for the philanthropic sector to dive in. They won't think that everything has to be done a certain way. Really worked with organizations at the ground that have very little resources and work with some of the most difficult populations to outreach to and to mobilize. One of the things that we've learned is that there is a lot of creativity and innovation and ability of leaders in this community and constituents in these communities to take technology and make the best use of it. They often create efficiencies that lead to great effectiveness that can't be done in other organizations because they're not necessarily wired that way. Smaller organizations that are almost no steps away from the constituents and the people that they serve, are better able to incorporate what's on the ground into the way that they deliver communication, outreach services, and so on. And that has the same impact with regard to technology. And the same processes with regard to technology. So we can use the term innovation, creativity, but with regard to these organizations, it's really just the way that they are. But there's a growing number of funders who are really developing good ways of funding advocacy services, a whole range of things. And we encourage funders who haven't done that yet to seek out your colleagues that have done this as one of the ways to begin to strategize how to use technology more impactfully. There are foundations large and small that have done this, and I think that it doesn't have to be that scary to get it started. Because I know that for a lot of foundations that don't have the expertise internally and they don't have the expertise on the board, it's really hard to explain what you're trying to do by investing in this area. But you don't have to do it blindly. From Age-ZeroDivide to Kapor to a whole range of organizations, we've done this and can be of help.